Hey everyone, check out the HOMIDEC 8-tier shoe rack that stores up to 32 pairs of shoes efficiently. This shoe storage cabinet measures 33 by 12 by 49 inches and is perfect for closets, hallways, bedrooms, or entryways. Each cube holds up to 11 pounds, making it ideal for sneakers, boots, heels, and flats. The rack features sturdy PP plastic panels with a metal frame and ABS connectors for durability. Assembly is simple with included tools and clear instructions, plus the hammer ensures tight connections. Its plastic design is waterproof and easy to clean, while ventilation holes keep shoes fresh and odor-free. Keep your home organized and tidy with this versatile shoe organizer. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.